Hello, Maya. How are you today?
Hello Arjun, I am good. I was just using my phone for my homework.
Oh really? You used your phone for homework? That sounds interesting.
Yes, phones can help a lot. People say phones are bad, but phones also have many advantages if we use them in the right way.
I agree. Phones are powerful tools. What did you use it for?
I used it to check meanings of words. When I don't understand a difficult word, I search it slowly, and then I learn it.
That's really useful. I also use my phone to watch English videos. They help me improve my speaking, my listening, and my pronunciation.
Yes, phones help us learn anytime, anywhere. We don't need to wait for a classroom. Learning becomes easy and fast.
And phones help us stay connected. We can talk to our family, to our friends, even if they live far away.
Right, communication becomes simple. One call, one message, and we feel close to people we love.
I also like using the camera. When I take pictures, I save memories. Later, I look at them and feel happy.
That's true. Photos help us remember beautiful moments. Phones help us store our life.
And the best part, we can learn English with our phones. Apps, videos, stories. Everything is there.
Yes, even this conversation, someone can save it on their phone and learn English slowly and clearly.
Maya, do you think phones are good or bad?
I think phones are good if we use them wisely. They are tools. They help us learn. They help us grow. But we must use them with balance.
Yes, balance is important. Not too much, not too little, just the right amount.
Exactly. Phones are our friends when we use them for learning, for connecting, for improving our life.
So today, we learned something. Phones are not the problem. How we use them, that is what matters.
Yes, Arjun, and if we use them to learn English, to study, to stay connected, then phones can make our life better and easier.
Maya, do you think phones help students become smarter?
Yes, Arjun, phones help students learn faster. When we want information, we don't need to wait. We can search and understand things within seconds.
True. Like yesterday, I didn't understand my science lesson, but I watched a small video on my phone, and suddenly, everything became clear.
Yes, that is the power of phones. They make learning simple and easy, and we can learn in our own time, slowly and calmly.
Maya, do you use your phone to improve your English?
Yes, Arjun, I use it every day. I listen to slow English stories. I practice new words, and I repeat sentences again and again. It helps me speak better.
I do the same. I record my voice on my phone. Then I listen to it and check if my pronunciation is correct.
That's a great idea, Arjun. Phones help us practice without feeling shy. We can learn alone and gain confidence.
Maya, phones also help us stay safe. If we are in trouble, one call can bring help.
Yes, phones give us safety and comfort. They connect us to the world.
But Maya, even though phones are helpful, we must use them carefully.
Yes, Arjun, too much phone use can make us tired, so we should use phones for learning, for talking, and for good things.
So phones are not bad. Phones are helpful when we use them the right way.
Exactly. Phones can teach us, guide us, and connect us. If we use them wisely, they can help us grow every day.
Maya, today I noticed something. When I use my phone to read English articles, I learn new words without even trying.
Yes, Arjun, reading on the phone is helpful. Even short messages or small stories teach us new vocabulary every day.
And you know, phones also have dictionaries. Whenever I see a new word, I tap, and I get the meaning in a second.
That is so useful. Before phones, we had to search in big books, but now, learning is fast, and learning is fun.
Maya, do you use your phone to set reminders?
Yes, I set reminders for my homework, my study time, and even for drinking water. Phones help us stay organized.
Exactly. Phones help us plan our whole day. Alarms, timers, notes, everything is there in one small device.
And phones also help us stay healthy. We can track our steps. We can do meditation. We can follow exercise videos anytime.
That's true. A phone is like a small teacher, a small guide, always with us.
Arjun, some people say phones distract students, but I think if we use phones with discipline, they become our greatest teachers.
Yes, Maya, it depends on us. If we use phones for learning, for growing, for improving, then phones are a blessing.
So today, we learned something again. Phones have many advantages, and if we use them with care, they make our life better and easier.
Yes, Maya, phones can help us become the best version of ourselves.
Thank you so much for watching, friends. I hope today's lesson helped you learn something new and exciting in English. Remember, practice every day, speak confidently, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we grow. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more lessons, and share this video with someone who's learning English too. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next class. Take care and end.